Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the coconut and the machine together. First, pick clean coconut meat and cut into 2 cm pieces so the grinder can feed evenly. This prevents jamming. Next, pour about 1/4 cup water over the chunks to create a slurry that helps separation and reduces friction. Plug the grinder in and check the blade and lid are locked. Once done, switch to low speed and feed a small batch to test flow and ensure blades, and you now move into extracting milk and controlling texture. Once the initial batch flows, ramp speed up slowly. Use short pulses to break fibers without overheating the motor. As the grinder works, hold the outlet over a bowl to catch milk, then transfer pulp into a sieve and press with the back of a spoon to extract extra liquid. For thicker cream or oil, run additional longer cycles and scrape down the sides between runs so all solids are evenly processed. You finish by safely powering down and cleaning to preserve performance. Turn the grinder off and unplug, then disassemble the removable parts. Clean blades and housing right away with warm soapy water and a soft brush to remove fibers. Dry thoroughly before reassembly to prevent corrosion. If the machine clogs or stalls, make sure to reverse feed if available, or add 1/4 cup water and run short pulses to clear the blockage. This simple fix prevents strain and keeps your grinder working.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.